In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove data from an Excel chart. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to take a value out of your chart and tidy up the result so everything looks intentional. First, start by highlighting the value you want to remove. Remember, charts in Excel are driven by the cells in your worksheet, so you'll want to click the actual cell that feeds the point on your chart, not just the point in the chart itself. If you're not sure which cell that is, click the data point once in the chart to select the whole series, then click it again to select just that single point. Excel will highlight the source cell for you in the worksheet, making it clear exactly which value is being plotted. Next, delete it. With the correct cell selected, press the delete key to clear its contents. This removes the value without shifting the surrounding cells, which helps you avoid unintentionally changing the structure of your data. You can also use clear contents from the ribbon if you prefer. Avoid deleting the entire row or column unless you intend to remove all related data from the chart, because that can shift other values and change your ranges. As soon as the value is cleared, the chart updates automatically. In a column or bar chart, the bar for that point disappears. In a line or area chart, you may see a gap where that point used to be, depending on your chart's settings for empty cells. Finally, make adjustment. After removing a value, take a moment to refine the look and clarity of your chart. If the gap feels too large or the scale no longer fits your story, adjust the axis scale so the remaining data is easier to read. If labels or data markers feel crowded or now point to an empty spot, turn them off for that series or reposition them so they highlight only what matters. If the legend includes a category you just cleared, check whether it still adds value. Sometimes simplifying the legend improves readability. You can also review the chart title and any annotations to ensure they still reflect the updated data. If your removed value was at the edge of the range, you might tighten the selected data range so the chart focuses only on the active cells you care about. And if you change your mind at any point, use undo to bring the value and the chart right back. That's it. Highlight the value, delete it, then make a quick adjustment so your chart communicates clearly. Thanks for watching and happy charting.